Kate Crane here with another video for the Gel Press Printer Project series. Now I'm using my 10x8 gel press today to create some simple patterned pieces. Now not everything has to be a marathon. Sometimes it's just really fun to play about with stencils, masking, bit of junk stamping, and just build up some patterned sheets that are great to cut up and use. So I'm not looking at the overall print today, I'm looking at small bits of pattern that I can pull out. I'm going to be showing you today how I make stickers to go in my planner. Now don't get me wrong, I love commercial stickers as much as the next person, but there's something really special about being able to use your own artwork and customize your planner or your art journals. So I'm going to be using my little Xyron sticker maker so that I can create in my, I'm working in a happy planner, so I can create and add all of my own decoration here and also stamp and make little stickers that way. Now usually when I do this at home I will print and make a whole load of stickers, so I've got them all ready in a Ziploc folder, in a Ziploc bag, ready to add to my journal as and when I need them. So every week I can just pull out the stickers and away we go. It's also a great way of using up your offcuts. Every single bit of my prints gets used for something. Thanks for watching. Today I'm working on my 10x8 gel plate. I've also got the tag just to use with my brayer as a palette. Now because the focus today is pattern building and layering, I've gathered lots of bits for junk stamping. I've got corrugated card, this is a bit of shelf liner, some bits of packaging, the usual bubble wrap but also in different sizes. I've got a cardboard reel and a little wooden reel. I've also gathered a few stencils because these are useful for building colourful layers on top of backgrounds. I've got a variety of paints and I'm also going to introduce some neons for a pop of colour in there. And I've got just some scrap paper here that I'm going to use to cut out some little templates to add to build up some extra layers. So I'm just going to start with a bit of ruby and magenta and lemon just to create a kind of tonal mix of colours. Then I'm going to use some bits of my junk to just patchwork a pattern. And then with the cardboard tube, now I'm not really looking at this as an overall print, I'm looking for interesting bits of pattern that I can pull out to create my stickers. I'm going to add another layer of circles on top of that using a stencil by Carabelle Studio and I think a touch of hot neon pink.